All right, so we have our two equations here. When you're graphing a linear equation, you only have really two parts. The main part is going to be the slope, which is m, and then the base, which is b. Okay? The base tells you where you start on the y-axis, and the m slope tells you how fast you're moving on the y-axis. All right, and if that doesn't really make sense, I'm going to show you. All right, so let's first start off with this equation here. Y equals negative 1x plus 7. 7 is my base, so that is always on the y-axis. So you're going to start at 7, so that's going to be here. And my slope is going to be my negative 1 down, and I'm going to go over 1. So remember, rise over run. That is going to be your slope. You're going to rise negative 1 and go over 1. But since it's negative, you're not going to rise. You're actually going to go down and go over 1 to the right. So it'll look something like this. Down, run. Down, run. See, I'm going down 1 and going over 1. That is my slope. Down 1, over 1. Down 1, over 1. Down 1, over 1. Down 1, over 1. And you see we have a line. We have a line here. Okay? All right, so now let's graph the second equation. Y equals 1x minus 3. Okay? So our base is negative 3, so that's where we start. So that's going to be here on the y-axis. And this slope is actually up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Oh, sorry. Up 1 over 1. 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 All right, and so now let's connect. Now let's connect these lines. All right, so the whole purpose of this is showing you what a system of equations mean. So a system of equations is when you have two lines and they intersect at a point. And that point here reads 5 on the x-axis and 2 on the y-axis. So our solution here is 5, 2. So essentially what we just did is what we did in class, except we did it by graphing. Okay? So when you're solving a system of equations, you're trying to find where the two equations meet. And in this case, the equations meet at 5 on the x-axis and 2 on the y-axis. All right, if you have any questions, please leave in your comments below. Thank you. Goodbye.